Now next, moving forward with the classification of alcohols. As I told you that one type is in which the OH group is attached to the carbon sp3 hybridized bond, but second one is your when the OH group will be attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so compounds containing carbon sp2 OH bond. Okay, so students, in this case what happens is that there are two types of alcohols of this type. One is your vinylic alcohol and a second one is your phenols. Okay, so first let's discuss about the vinylic alcohols. Okay, so students, these contain the OH group attached to a carbon atom of the carbon-carbon double bond. These alcohols are known as the vinylic alcohols. For example, you can have the example as CH2 double bond CHOH. Okay, as you can see, as in this you have students, you have studied it in class 11th that carbon-carbon single bond is your sp3 hybridization of carbon-carbon double bond is your sp2 hybridization, and carbon-carbon triple bond is your sp hybridization. Okay, so this thing you have already studied in class 11, so I don't think that it is necessary for me to explain you what is sp2, sp3 and sp hybridization. This you have studied it earlier. So as you can see here, that here is your carbon-carbon double bond, so it means that this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. And as I told you that now we are discussing the compounds in which the hydroxyl group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So here you can see that it is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this is a type of your vinylic alcohol. Okay, and the second one is your phenols. Okay, so students, basically these contain OH group attached to a carbon atom of benzene ring. As I told you in the beginning of the chapter, which was our first video, in that I had explained it to you that when the OH group is is attached to by replacing the hydrogen atom from an aromatic ring, then it is known as phenol. Okay, so benzene ring is also an aromatic ring. You know it very well that it is an aromatic compound. So in this, the hydrogen is replaced by the OH group and forms the phenol. Okay, so basically the benzene ring containing one OH group is known as phenol. So this is your benzene. For example, this is a benzene. Okay, and when one hydrogen of benzene is replaced by OH group, when OH group is attached to benzene ring, then this is what we call as phenol. Okay, and similarly when there will be OH group with one methyl group, then it is known as cresol. Okay, and similarly when this OH group is attached to benzene ring with another OH group, then it is known as catechol. Okay, and if it is attached to OH group on the para positions, to OH group on the para positions, then it is known as hydroquinone, or you can say quinol. Okay, similarly when we will have three hydroxyl groups adjacent to each other, then in that case it is known as pyrogallol. Okay, so these are few derivatives of phenols. Okay.